They're down. There's 2 people down over here on that jump.
2 people down.
Right around this turn. Yeah, if we were hitting that jump.
Alright guys, we got a disaster down here. The KX is down. Mike D coming down the big step down. Somehow chain slider came loose at the bottom. Got caught in the chain. It's all caught up in the sprocket and the wheel will not move. We're trying to get the master link off.
There's just so much tension.
Yeah. So I was worried about. With the master link off, we can get it to roll. Tried to get Mike to get a KTM. Couldn't get Mike to buy a KTM.
Oh, come on.
Told him to ride at his own risk if he's not
What happens whenever you grab your son's jersey.
Yep. Caleb's next because he's also riding the wrong color. So, yep. You made some progress.
Yeah, it's pretty much flush now.
Need all those with that dual sport toolkit.
Yeah, I know, right?
Really have to ride back and grab really quick?
I think he's got it.
Another KX 450 would be
Nice.
good. That's what I was trying not to lose, but there it is somewhere. Luckily, it's bright green.
Oh!
Sweet. All right, we're good. Let's try. Let's rip.
I can at least coast.
You can get, yeah, if you push it back up there, you might get enough run to coast for a while.
I can clear that dove in the center now. I'm good.
Yeah.
Luckily, I took a couple tree branches out.
So we're pretty sure we're not going to be able to get that dislodged without taking all that off, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
So let me go grab a toe strap. Yeah. I got it for you. Don't worry.
Yeah. Oh, thanks, guys.
What's your plan?
I don't know. I'll see how far I can
You
coast.
just coast as far as you. You're not going to be able to push that back, especially with your feet.
It's good exercise. Good workout.
You won't be able to walk tomorrow.
I won't be able to walk tomorrow anyway.
I'll go get the bayou, dude. Just coast as far as you can.
All right.
Oh, I'm gonna go get the bayou on the KTM. That still works. Oh, I'm sure, dude. Don't jump it. All we need is 2 things to get hooked up in the...
Take a nice digger with my shoulder.
I'd say, dude.
Nice.
You think the best way to do this is? I couldn't find a toe strap. I didn't know exactly where the toe straps were.
Go around the forks or something. Somewhere.
That's not gonna be long enough. I guess like. That might work. Will it go up high enough so we're getting in the wheel?
I don't know. We'll find out.
That's a good idea.
I was trying to.
I was trying to, yeah, lock both of them in.
You can, but
I didn't know if I could or not.
nah, it's really close.
It's like one of those Chinese ring games or whatever. It won't take much though. I just got to get you to here.
Yeah. Then
We'll coast to the bottom and then take it slow.
There you go.
Sweet. You ready? You need a breather? That is, that's hard. Gonna say hit the brakes. Slide down. Watch the mud. Well, at least it happened at the end of most of your riding.
Yeah, that's true. Good time.
That sketches me out, dude, because that bolt that fell out on yours, it strips really easy.
Yeah.
And dude, I've rode without those in at all for months. And I was probably millimeters from disaster the whole time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want to be going over like an 80-foot double when that happens.
No.
That chain was too loose too. That's what. That came out and the chain was loose because it was loose when I started.
Yeah. Probably slapped up and grabbed it or something.
Yeah.
we got Mike delivered safely back to the Jeep. Overall, good day.